Well, my little Dodge Dakota has a radiator leak. I thought I had mounted this so it wouldn't rub on the radiator, which is a critical thing. When you're mounting these aftermarket or whatever add-on electric fans, don't let it rub on the radiator. I had built some brackets to hold it back, but I guess it wasn't quite good enough. And now I got a little leak. So I'm going to get my needle nose pliers and I'm going to pour some black pepper in it and see what happens. Okay. I need to hold this back somehow. I can get something put in there. This will do it. There. Now let's see if I can get in there good enough to pinch it. Get in there good enough to see it first. And then, well, this is a tricky little spot. Here at the top, hard to get to, hard to see. See if I can get my spouse to help me. All right. Over here on this other side, or wherever might be best for you. There you go. Get it in there where you can actually see it, right in there. See where it's coming from, not just the water spray. Down lower. Look. Where's the water spray at? Right there. Can you see it? Hold on. Oh, I can see it. Get back. Let me see what kind of damage I've done to it. Right on, yep. Right, focus for me, please. I don't see any water spraying out. Nope. What happened is, and it's something I really try to pay attention to when I mount these fans, is to not let the fan rub on the radiator. And I thought I had accomplished that, but obviously that's all it takes. So it's going to be like that now instead. And hold this. Show what I'm doing. Look, point it at it. Because we're kind of making a video here. What do I have in my hand? Pepper. Well, I'm going to put some in the radiator. That's a natural stop leak. And if the heater core ever goes bad, it'll taste sweet and savory. Uh-huh. Isn't that lovely? Oh, look, it's going through a stumbling. It's normal, isn't it? This thing. All right. Now maybe it'll build up some pressure. It never would build it up. All right, I feel better about it. I don't like pushing it. Now let's push the return button a couple of times.